Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of FSP Past Paper series. Today we'll be breaking down question booklet of FSP Mathematics Contest 2021 for grade 7 and 8. So let's commence. Question 1. 200 employees work for company ABC where the ratio of men to women is 11 to 9. If 30 men leave the company and 10 women are hired, what's the new ratio of men to women? The correct answer is D. 4/5. Question 2. Mr. Berry is angry. He has 4 grubs left after he tried to divide 256 grubs equally among his cubs. There could be dash cubs. The correct answer is 6. Question 3. Of my books, 85% are new and the rest are used. Some are biographies, 70% of which are new. What is the ratio of the fraction of new books that are biographies to the fraction of used books that are biographies? The correct answer is option D, 7:17. Question 4. The diagram shows two sets of numbers, set A and set B. Find the correct descriptions for sets A and B. The correct answer is B. A is less than 13, while B is greater than 9. Question 5. John started a business in which he earned rupees 100 for the first day, rupees 500 on the second day, rupees 900 on the third day, rupees 1300 on the fourth day, and so on. What is his earning in day 1000? So the correct answer is D. 3,99,700. Question 6. Today is my birthday. My age today in months is 72 times my age 5 years ago in years. My age today in years is option D, 6. Question 7. The number halfway between 4567, 4567 and 6789, 6789 is D, 5678, 5678. Question 8. An actor was informed how many fan letters he received each day. What is the mean of the numbers? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 9. Mr. Smith asked his students whether they prefer to go to a museum or the zoo for a field trip. He found that 35% of the students prefer to go to a museum, 45% prefer to go to the zoo, and the rest have no preference. What's the ratio of the students who have no preference to the students who prefer to go to the museum? So the correct answer is D, 4:7. Question 10. The temperature in Chicago was -3 degrees Fahrenheit at 8 a.m. The temperature increased 5 degrees Fahrenheit by noon. The temperature then decreased 7 degrees Fahrenheit by 4 p.m. What was the temperature in Chicago at 4 p.m.? The correct answer is option D, -5 degrees Fahrenheit. Which statement is not correct? The incorrect statement is option D, 9 years equals to 109 months. Question 12. A movie is being shown on television. The movie is scheduled for a 150-minute time period. There will be some 6-minute commercial breaks throughout the movie. The actual length of the movie is 114 minutes. Which equation could be used to find B, the number of 6-minute commercial breaks? So the correct answer is option B. 114 is equals to 150 minus 6b. Question 13. Two trees of height 20 meter and 30 meter have ropes running from the top of each tree to the bottom of the other tree. How high above the ground do the ropes intersect? The trees are 40 meter apart. So the correct option is B, 12 meter. Question 14. Roberto rode his bicycle from Bellevue to Newcastle Park and back on the bicycle path shown on the map, which is closest to the round trip distance Roberto traveled. So the correct option is D, 30 miles. Question 15. Look at the two figures below, which could not describe the intersection of these two figures. The correct answer is option D, array. Question 16. Which point on the number line is closest to the location of -1.2? So the correct answer is option B, X. Question 17. Shelley received the 4 cards shown below. She was asked to put the cards in order from least to greatest value. Which list shows the correct order of the cards? The correct order of the cards is D, R, P, S. That is option D. Question 18. Parallel lines T and U, when cut by transversal V from 8 angles, as shown in the diagram below. If the measure of angle 2 is 112 degree, what is the measure of L5? So the correct answer is option A, 68 degree. Question 19. Coach Jensen will order soccer uniforms from one of the stores listed below. Store A sells 15 uniforms for a total of $449.85. Store B sells 10 uniforms for a total of $300. Store C sells uniforms for $32 per uniform. Store D sells 2 uniforms for a total of $58. Which store has the lowest price per uniform? So the correct answer is option D, store D. Question 20. Which kind of numbers when multiplied together have a product that is an odd number? So the correct option is D. Question 21. A scientist studied the migration patterns of two types of whales. The humpback whales traveled 2,240 miles in 28 days. The gray whales traveled 2,368 miles in 32 days. If the humpback whales had traveled at the same rate for 32 days, how many more miles would they have traveled than the gray whales? The correct answer is option B, 192. Question 22. The table below shows the masses of some of the planets in our solar system. Which list of planets is in order from the least mass to the greatest mass? So the correct option is C, Earth, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter. Question 23. Tina is making a scale model of a monument that is 155 feet tall. She uses a scale of 1 inch equals to 5 feet. How tall should Tina make her model? So the correct option is A, 31 inches. 24. The table below shows different possibilities for the number of games a team would need to win to maintain a certain percentage of wins. Which ratio the number of games won to the number of games played could also be included in this table. So the correct answer is option C, team ratio 30. Question 25. The drawing of a building shown below has a scale of 1 inch to 30 feet. What is the actual height in feet of the building? So the correct answer is option C, 37.5. Question 26. A trailer will be used to transport several 40 kilogram crates to a store. The greatest amount of weight that can be loaded onto the trailer is 1050 kilograms. An 82 kilograms crate has already been loaded onto the trailer. What is the greatest number of 40 kilogram crates that can also be loaded onto the trailer? So the correct answer is A, 24. Question 27. What is the missing number in the pattern below? 2, 6, 18, 54, blank, 486. The correct answer is A, 162. Question 28. Kendra drew a circle. Inside the circle, she drew a triangle. Inside the triangle, she drew a square. Which design did Kendra draw? So, the correct answer is option D. Question 29. Jared and Randy played 3 soccer games. The graph below shows the number of goals they scored in each game. Which statement is true about Jared's and Randy's goal? Correct answer is option C. The number of goals Jared scored increased each game. Question 30. The circle graph below shows the favorite radio stations of the students in Julie's school. Julie's teacher asked her to estimate what percent of the students choose WXPR, which best represents the percent of students who choose WXPR. So the correct answer is option A, 30%. That's all for today's video. Hope you must have learned a lot. Keep practicing and subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye.